this is a geometric sequence, but it's not a sequence, it's a question on sequence, on a geometric sequence. It says the second term in a geometric sequence is -4 and the fifth term is 32. Determine the nth term. Right, for this one you need to remember that in a geometric sequence the first term is a, the second term you multiply with a common ratio, so it's a times r, and the next term is a r squared. So term 1 is equals to a, term 2 is equals to a r to the power 1, but you don't write 1. Term 3 is equals to a r to the power 2. So do you see the pattern here? So term 17 is equals to a r to the power 16. Whatever term you have is the first term r and the power 1 less of that one. So this is what you use. This is what we're going to use as we solve the problem. Let's start with the first. The second term in a geometric sequence is 4. So the second term is T2. It is a r to the power 1, which we're not going to write. Then they tell us that it's -4. And the fifth term is T5, is equals to a r to the power 4 and is equals to 32. Right, now you're going to use these formulas to solve for r and solve for a, but for your convenience write them again without the t's. Okay, let's solve for a. R, if I divide by r both sides, I'm going to have -4 over r, right? Then I'm going to take that and substitute in this equation. So I'll have -4 over r. I've substituted for a. And then I had that r to the power 4 is equals to 32. These are going to cancel there. I'll get -4 r to the power 3 is equals to 32. Then I divide by 4 both sides. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Then I do the cube root. So it means my r is equals to 2. I found r. Then how do I find a? I go to the easier one. This one. You can use the other one as well. But not that one. That one that you have solved for a already. Then you'll have your a is equals to -4 over 2. So it means your a is -2. Your first term is -2. Okay. Then we can find the pattern. Let's find the pattern. So we have our r and our a. So you write the general formula that you find in your formula sheet. Rn minus 1. Then you substitute for a, -2. You substitute for r, 2n minus 1. This is it. You're done. Don't multiply because of that. This 2 is to that power, so you can't multiply them together. Let's do the second one. Right, 2, which term has the value of -102? So you write the formula Tn is equals to -2 into 2 and -1. Then you substitute for -1000 minus 1. Right. The rule is get rid of that. Get rid of the 2. Get rid of whatever number you have there. So you have 1024 divided by -2. You have 512 is equals to 2 to the power n minus 1. Right. Then find the factor for that. You remember we say 512 equals to, then shift, then we look for the factor button. Then we find that it's 2 to the power 9. Then we drop the 2's. 9 is equals to n minus 1. It means n is equals to 10. So is the 10th term. The negative 1224 is the 10th term. So let's do the third one. The last one, determine the 8th term. You use the formula for this sequence. Then it's T8 is equals to minus 2, and then is the 8th term. Don't write 8 minus 1. It's 7. Minus it, you did that in grade 1. Then you use your calculator. Minus 2, open brackets, 2 to the power 7. Exponents, it's negative 256. Okay. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching.